Like that Applewood smoked bacon. Looks like a nice day for chowder. Took the bacon out, put it on paper towels. Be careful if you do what we do with a paper towel, it doesn't get too close to the burner like that and start a fire. We've done that before. So now that we got the bacon out, we're going to add in the aromatics. You want to cook them and not burn them. So you don't want to cook them on high, you want to put them on medium. Cook about 4 minutes. This is how the onions and celery should look after about 4 or 5 minutes. I cheated and I put a little bit of garlic in there. Cook it just so I can smell it. It smells really good now because you know garlic's really good for it. Now I got that in there. Need the lids. Take the lids off the clams. Add the clam broth. Now I'm bringing the broth up and the aromatics to a kind of a simmer now. And I'm going to let them kind of blend the flavors. This is where the magic smells extra special. I turn it down to medium now. I'm going to add the milk. It's not milk, it's half and half. And it's also whipped cream. We don't use flour in this because the cream, as it reduces, gets thicker, and the potatoes create also a richness and thickness too. So this one is kind of a lower carb version, which I like. So at this stage, I don't want to put in the cooked potatoes yet or the clams because it'll dissolve them into nothing, but I want to get the flavors and stuff mixed together. So in the recipe it says combine for 10 or 12 minutes. So I'm going to go have a glass of wine and I'll be right back. So here's a quick little tip. While you're simmering and letting the cream love itself, you can sneak in extra seasonings. A couple that I like. Kind of keep adding, you're building flavor right now. You can put a little Worcester in there too, a little couple squirts of it in there, maybe a bay leaf, but it's up to you. I'm giving you this recipe as a present from a special little day that we had in Fremont when I made this soup for my mom and some of my family members. It was pretty cool. I just kept the recipe, and where we lived was on Marigold Drive, Fremont, California. So this soup has a special memory for me. Clam chowder. So let me just keep letting it love itself for a couple more minutes. Okay, the final end of the recipe. Get your clams cleaned out. I got a couple shells for decorations. Add it in last. Remember? Clams last, so they don't get chewy. Now look how perfectly thick that is now. Thickened. So we're just going to warm those clams up in there just a little bit. You can adjust for salt or pepper this time. For me, it's perfect. And then we're going to set up over here. Check it out. Got a few clams in the bowl. got the soft bread. And it goes go in for the dip test. Go in for the dip test. Oh man, perfect. Perfect. Don't double dip. And there we go. Got some clams. Pinch off some of the clam meat. Eat that up. I wish there was taste division. Delicious. Enjoy that. Love you guys.